So just bear with me getting this all situated and stuff. Okay, I think I'm all set, but I'll wait a few minutes and see if anybody is gonna hop on. I wanted to share this cute little treat holder because it's coming to the end of the Christmas in July, and I had this project made. And so I'm going to share how to do this cute little treat holder. It is using the scalloped tag topper punch, and I just put a little box that's inside. Let me know if you're here, and you can let me know where you're from too. I'm not seeing any comments, so I'm not sure anybody's on yet. But I'm going to go ahead and start this and tell you what you need for this. If you miss it, you can go back and watch the replay on my Facebook page. So, okay, this is what I'm sharing, so let's get started. This is the hostess code for this month. So if you shop with me in July, use this hostess code, and I put you in a drawing for hostess rewards. And I do this every month, so there's a different hostess code. You can check it out on my blog. Another thing I want to share, since people are, oh, hi, Luann. I'm so glad to see you. You're the first one on here. This is my first live, so I'm a little nervous, but I think it'll be fun. Okay. So what I was saying is, this is the little treat holder that I'm going to share. And the end of Christmas in July is coming, and I had this one already made, so I'm going to go ahead and share this one live. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And what you're going to need for this is a piece that is 9 by 2. This is just the plain Whisper White. I'm using the thick because I really like the thick Whisper White for, you know, projects like this. And then I'm also using some real red and another piece of Whisper White, and this is to stamp this cute little deer on. And he is from the Good Day stamp set. So this is one of those all-around ones that I really like. And so it's this cute little deer right here. So you can use this for any occasion. And then I'm just using that sentiment. Again, I use that on quite a few of my projects. And this is the new greetings. So this is the itty bitty greetings, the 'tis the season. I used it on a couple of my other projects too. All right, so what we're gonna do with this piece is we're gonna score it really quickly. So I'm gonna score it using my score tool here. And it's a real simple scoring. You're gonna score it at 4 and 5. So I'm gonna score it here at 4 and 5. And then I'm gonna emboss the front of it. I'm using the scallop tag topper, which is one of my favorite for little treat things like this. Hi, Lori, it's good to see you. I'm so happy everybody's coming on, hopping on. I was just telling Luann this is my first live, and I hope to start doing them more. I really wanted to use a program that shows my face, you know, where I can come on live, but I haven't gotten that program. It's pretty pricey, so I'm kind of waiting for that. All right, so I'm using the Softly Fallen embossing folder, and I'm just going to emboss the front of that. I'm just going to stick it in and emboss that really quick. Okay. So it's embossed there. Hope you can see that. I don't know even where it's harder to figure out where you're holding the camera or where you're holding. So hopefully I'm getting this all in the video. All right, so here's the treat holder that I'm sharing, Lori, if you didn't see it. So I'm gonna grab the tag topper punch now, and I'm gonna just punch this. And then I'm going to punch the other side too. And it's super quick and easy. And so that's just the base, and then we're going to put a little kind of box on the inside. So this is the piece that's for the box, and it's 4 by 3. And I should have scored these all. I'll bring up the scoring tool again and we'll score that one. Okay, so for this one, on the, why do I have it too big? It's supposed to be 4 by 3. Let's see. Yeah, I haven't cut it. Sorry. Let me cut that really quick to 4 by 3. See what I mean? Okay, so that's 4 by 3. Because it's a really small box. Okay, so on that 4-inch side, we're going to score it at 1 and 3. And then we're going to just turn it on the 3-inch side and score it at 1 and 2. Really super easy. Okay, so I'm going to grab my scissors here, and I'm just going to cut up this side. I think I'm going to leave that. I'm just going to cut one side. If you have any questions or anything, you can write them in there. I'm not sure if I'll be able to read them and figure out how to read them and thanks. and comment and all that at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna score all that. Sharpen these. And then I'm going to use my fast fuse. I know we don't carry this anymore, but I still have a ton of it, so I'm going to just keep using it until it's gone. You can use tear and tape, but make sure it's something strong. And then we're just going to form a little box. And what I did on here is I just put the adhesive on the bottom here so I can attach it like that. And it fits right in the center there. I put some Ghirardellis in it. I put the little mini ones, but I think the big ones will fit in there as well. That's what I put in this one. So you can see you could fit 3 of these in here. Hi, Marcia. Thanks. I appreciate that. So I don't know how many of the big ones you'd be able to fit, but I really love these little Ghirardellis. All right, so I'm going to grab a piece of ribbon, my red ribbon, and I'm going to have to run a second and grab it. I moved it away from my desk. Okay. And I'm just going to cut enough to string through here. And I'm going to use some linen thread to tie a little bow. I'm going to tie a double bow. I know if y'all watch my videos and stuff, you see that I always use my bone folder to get those little crinks out. It's just a really good little tip. I don't know who I learned it from, but I learned it from somebody. Okay, so we're going to just tie a double bow here. I think I am. You know, it's so funny when I even do videos and stuff. It's like I can't. Something always happens. I guess that's the nature of being human, right? All right. I think I got it. I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, I think I'm going to cut these a little bit shorter. I think I like them a little bit shorter. Okay, so I cut a piece of crumb cake, and this piece is 3 by 1 inch, and then this is 1/2 by 3, and then I cut a 3-inch piece of our that dotted, what is it called? It's polka dot tulle ribbon. I love this ribbon. It's super pretty, and it comes in Whisper White and Very Vanilla. So that is going to be, I'm going to flag the end of this one. Hi, Cheryl. Welcome. I'm so glad everybody's hopping on. This is my first live, so I hope I'm going to do good. All right. So we have that flagged, and I'm going to grab my ink and my, I grab crumb cake and Real Red. And I do need Memento Black because I'm going to use my blends to color him. And whenever you're using the blends, you need to use the Memento ink. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp. First, I'm going to stamp the little circle that we're going to put him in. Thanks, Luann. I appreciate that. Okay, so we're going to do that in crumb cake first, and then I'm going to stamp him in. He's so cute. I love this little reindeer. So this one is the Memento Black. I'm going to just color him really quickly. And I don't need the Real Red. Well, I do for the, I'm going to go ahead and stamp this too, this little tag. He's not perfectly straight. Let's turn it over and do the other side. See if I can do any better. It's kind of hard for me to see. I don't want to get my, I think the other side's better. We're going to go with that side. Okay, so I just grabbed a few blends. I'm just going to color him in with a few different colors. I kind of wanted to make him look like Rudolph. So I picked some of the colors that were more like, this one might be a little dark, but we're going to go ahead and use some of this. We could blend it. I need to use my little side though. If you haven't tried the blends, you really need to try these. They are so awesome. I love these things. I'm just going to kind of outline him some. And then I'm going to use this lighter color to color him in. And whenever I'm blending it, oh, this one's too light. I need to go with the other one. It's more for his belly. There we go. I always kind of go in circles. I'm leaving a little space because I want his belly to be white. I'm just going to color that part and his little face. The little deer is a little deer from, oh, he's from A Good Day. It's this one right here. He's so cute. It's right here. This is really great for all occasions, but when I saw him, I thought he's perfect for Christmas, for a little Rudolph. Okay, so I think I'm done with him. And just gonna do a really quick color. And I'm going to punch him out with a 1 1/4 inch circle punch. Whoops. And then I'm going to use some of the real red to punch out his the little scallop circle. And this one is 1 3/8. And we're just going to attach him. I ran out of snell, so I'm going to use my fast fuse. We're just going to attach him to there. And the little heart I cut out using, let me see, what's the name of these framelits? I love these. These are some new ones, the stitched labels. And so it's this tiny heart right here. So I really love that one. Okay, we're going to use that. And I'm going to grab some of these little mini rhinestones, the red rhinestones. These are new too. These are in our new catalog. So I'm going to grab one of those for his nose. I'm just going to set it right on the tip of his nose so he's like Rudolph. I'm going to use one of the little mini dimensionals, and I'm going to put this little heart on there. If I can get the backing off. I always have problems with these little mini ones getting the backs off. I do love them though. Okay, so we're going to put the heart right there next to him. And then we're ready to put it all on the little box. So I'm going to put this one on first, the little crumb cake. I really want to do this one over. I have another piece. I really want that straight because I'm going to probably use this little treat holder. So I'm going to just try to stamp another one straight. Yeah, there we go. 3 times the charm, right? So I need to cut this one a little bit. So I'm going to attach this to the back. I'm just going to add some adhesive. I got all kinds of stuff on my snail. I'm going to just add some adhesive right there. And we're going to put this behind here. I'm gonna actually add the adhesive here for my ribbon, because I don't want to put it on that ribbon. The ribbon will mess up. So I'm adhering that little piece of ribbon, and then I'm going to use some of the regular dimensionals and pop him up on there. And I'm going to just stick him right there on top. I think I'm going to cut this a hair shorter. And there it is. Is he cute? I really think he's so cute. I love him, this little reindeer. So I hope you all enjoyed my first live. I'm going to be doing more, and I'll probably, it'll probably be longer when I get more comfortable doing them. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.